So the first question on the 2.3 homework was find an algebraic expression for the following verbal expression, which two consecutive odd integers. So if you think of odd numbers, if you just picked a random one, let's say 5, what would be the next odd number? It would be 7. Or let's pick a different one at random. Let's say we picked 21. What would be the next odd number? It would be 23. So you can see a little pattern. Whatever you pick for the first one, the next odd number is 2 greater. So if you just picked any odd number, I'm just going to call it k, the next one would be 2 bigger, so it would be k plus 2. Let's look at the next one on the assignment. Two numbers with a difference of 3. So a difference of 3, we're trying to say if we subtract these numbers, they would be 3 apart from each other. So again, let's just randomly start with a number. Let's pick 10. What numbers would be 3 apart from 10? So you could be 3 bigger than 10. That would make you at 13. Or you could be 3 less than 10, and that would put you at 7. So these two numbers have a difference of 3, and so do those two numbers. Let's see. So if we just started with a random number x, we could get a difference of 3 if we went up by 3. Sorry there. X plus 3. So it's like 10 and 13 going up by 3. Or you get a difference of 3 if you go down. So again, start with x, and you could go down by 3. So these two numbers would have a difference of 3 as well, like 10 and going down 3 to 7. And so that was C here, either x and x plus 3 or x and x minus 3. Either one of those pairs has a difference of 3. Alright, two numbers with a difference of 42. That's very similar to number 2, but we got to use 42 now. So again, wherever you start, you can either go up by 42, and that would give you a difference of 42. Or if you went down by 42, that gives you a difference of 42. It looks like you did pick that, but you didn't get full credit because it wasn't on your first attempt. But yeah, C's the right one. You got 4 correct. The product of a number and 33, that just means multiply. So whatever the number O is, multiply it by 33. That's how you can write it. And again, T times 44, good job. The product of a number and 44. And it looks like you got 6. Good work. And 7. Alright, so on to 9. If the perimeter of a rectangular courtyard is 264, and the length is 3 yards longer than twice the width, then what are the length and the width? Alright, so I got a little picture here to visualize it. To get the perimeter, you take the length plus the other length, and then add the width and the width, so you get all 4 sides there, and we'll use a formula like that. Now the problem is we have 2 different variables, so we need to rewrite the length here in terms of the width. Basically translate this sentence here into some variables. So the length is 3 more than twice the width. So instead of writing W, I'm going to write it's twice as long as the width, and then an additional 3. So instead of writing an L for length, this is a different way. No, this is the length right here. 3 more, add 3 to twice the width. So that this whole little thing in the parentheses is how long the length is. So that's one length plus the second length, which is twice the width plus 3, and then we add the 2 widths together as well. So the length, the width equals 264. And from here, the parentheses are just there to help you organize it. So get rid of them. and combine everything that's similar. So we have 2, 4, 5, 6W, and then the numbers add up to 6 equals 264. Subtract 6 from both sides, 258, and then divide both sides by 6. I'm going to pull up a calculator for that. 258 divided by 6, 43. So the width is 43 and the length is double that. 43 doubled, twice the width, and then 3 more than that, which would come out to 86 plus 3, 89.